So today's topic is spherical mirrors. So already you know about what is plane mirror. Plane mirror is that it is a mirror whose reflecting surface is planar or flat. So next we are going to discuss about spherical mirrors. What are spherical mirrors? These are the curved mirrors. So they have a curved shape. So there are two types of spherical mirrors. What are those? Concave mirror and convex mirror. So let us define spherical mirror. What do you mean by spherical mirror? It is a part of hollow sphere. It is a part of hollow sphere whose one side is reflecting and another side is opaque. Already you know about what do you mean by opaque. Opaque is that it is a medium through which light does not pass. Another side is opaque. So what is the definition of spherical mirror here? It is a part of hollow sphere. Whose one side is reflecting and another side is opaque. Now let us consider. So let us consider a sphere. This is a sphere now. I will take the part of this sphere. It is a part or it is a small portion of a small part of the hollow sphere whose one side is reflecting and another side is opaque. So this is, I will take part of the sphere now. It is called spherical mirror. Suppose outside surface is polished and inside surface is reflecting. This type of mirror is called concave mirror. Here outside surface is polished, means outside surface is opaque and inside surface is reflecting. This type of spherical mirror is called, this is a reflecting surface. So this type of spherical mirror is called concave mirror. So there is a particular definition for this one. So I will take it is the center of the hollow sphere. So it is C. Center of the hollow sphere can be denoted by C, and the radius of the hollow sphere is denoted by R. Then what is concave mirror here? It is a spherical mirror. So whose center of curvature is in front of the reflecting surface. Where is the center of curvature? Its center of curvature is in front of the reflecting surface. Then another we are going to consider, it is a which type of mirror here? It is a type of concave mirror. So concave mirror is a spherical mirror. Now let us consider another hollow sphere. Another hollow sphere. Now I take this part. It is a small part or small portion of the hollow sphere which is spherical mirror. Supposed to be inside surface is polished. And outside surface is reflecting. So here, where the reflection of light takes place? On the inside surface. Here, on the outside surface. Because whenever the light falls on the reflecting surface, the light undergoes reflection. Okay. So again, it is the center of the hollow sphere C, and the radius of the hollow sphere, that is R. Then this surface is reflecting surface. Outside surface is reflecting, and inside surface is opaque. Then how to define convex mirror? So convex mirror is defined as it is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature is behind the reflecting surface. Is behind the reflecting surface. It is reflecting surface. Center of curvature is behind the reflecting surface. So this type of spherical mirror is called convex mirror. Okay. Now let us discuss about types of spherical mirrors. There are how many types of spherical mirrors? There are two types of spherical mirrors. What are those? Concave mirror and convex mirror. So, types of spherical mirrors. So, there are two types of spherical mirrors. Two types of spherical mirrors. So what are those? They are number one, concave mirror, and the number two, convex mirror. Now let us discuss one by one. What do you mean by concave mirror? Concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature is in front of the reflecting surface, already shown in the diagram. Okay. So how to define the concave mirror here? It is first one, that is concave mirror. Then it is a type of, or it is a spherical mirror. It is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature, or whose center of curvature, is in front of the reflecting surface. Is in front of the reflecting surface. Okay. So the diagram shown here. What is a concave mirror here? Concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature is in front of the reflecting surface. So this surface is a reflecting surface, because here reflection of light takes place. It is a reflecting surface. And what is this surface? It is a opaque surface. Opaque surface. Always in case of a mirror, one side is reflecting and another. So second type of spherical mirror, that is convex mirror. Then now, what do you mean by convex mirror? It is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature is behind the reflecting surface. It is a spherical mirror. It is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature behind the reflecting surface. Behind the reflecting surface. Now let us draw the diagram. What about diagram here? The diagram. What is the definition here? It is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature. We will discuss about what is center of curvature. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about this one, the center of curvature. So it is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature behind the reflecting surface. Now let us draw a sphere. Otherwise, then let us take it is a part of the hollow sphere. This part of the hollow sphere is called spherical mirror. Then we have to know it is which type of spherical mirror. Supposed to be inner surface is polished. Inner surface is polished and outer surface is reflecting. Here this is outer surface, it is reflecting. It is reflecting. So it is a reflecting surface, and I will take it is the center of curvature of the sphere, and also it is called center of the sphere. Now here the reflecting surface is here behind the center of curvature. This type of mirror is called convex mirror. So what is convex mirror here? Convex mirror is a spherical mirror whose center of curvature is behind the reflecting surface. Here it is reflecting surface. And it is opaque. It is a opaque surface. Then, next we are going to discuss about some terms related to the spherical mirrors. What are those terms related to the spherical mirrors? So, first term, that is pole. What is pole here? Pole is that it is a midpoint of spherical mirror. Okay. What is pole here? It is a midpoint of spherical mirror. See here. It is a midpoint of the spherical mirror. This midpoint of the spherical mirror is called pole. And next one, center of curvature of the spherical mirror. What do you mean by center of curvature of the spherical mirror? It is a center of the sphere which forms a spherical part. Okay. So it is the center of the sphere which forms a spherical part. Andre, on the sphere the center is a sphere the part ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is called center of curvature. So what is center of curvature here? It is a center of a curvature, center of a sphere which forms that sphere forms a spherical part. Then what is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is the radius of the sphere which forms a spherical part. It is the radius of the sphere. See, it is the radius of the sphere which forms a spherical part. That the sphere forms a spherical part whose radius is called. Whose radius means here? The radius of the sphere is called radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. Next we are going to discuss, that is principal axis. What is principal axis here? The line which is passing through center of curvature and pole of the spherical mirror. What is the principal axis here? It is the line passing through center of curvature and pole of the spherical mirror. Then it is called principal axis. Okay. So now let us discuss one by one. Some terms related to spherical mirror. First one, pole. Pole is denoted by capital P. Then what is pole? It is a midpoint of spherical mirror, whether it is a concave mirror or whether it is convex mirror, whose midpoint is taken as pole. It is a midpoint of spherical mirror. And which is denoted by what letter? Capital P. Then what is second one? Center of curvature. Center of curvature. So what is center of curvature here? It is denoted by capital C. It is a center of a sphere which forms a spherical part. Means a part of the sphere. That a sphere having the center, that is called center of curvature. It is center of a sphere which forms a spherical part. A spherical part. The next, number 3. What is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is denoted by capital R. So, how to define the radius of curvature? Same here. It is a radius of a sphere which forms a spherical part. Okay. It is a radius of a sphere which forms a spherical part. I hope you will note down this one. What is the radius of curvature here? It is a radius of a sphere which forms a spherical part. So some other terms are there. We will discuss about that one.